Alright, so I just learned that in order to actually get to the 12 and 23 badge, the recommended exercises for each month, at least themed month, have to be completed in one of those languages. So, fortunately, I actually did solve some of these in Clojure already, so I have 3 of them done for functional February. But I didn't solve any of these in Rust. Actually, maybe I solved Pangram in Rust. And I didn't solve any of these in Julia. So I'm going to now do ETL in Julia. It looks like the most straightforward of these at the moment. The other ones I was considering doing is word count, which sounds fairly straightforward. Actually, that one's probably pretty straightforward as well. And sum of multiples, which I think the introduction to Julia video that they produced actually solves this problem. So we'll try ETL. I don't know, why not? So here goes. Let's download the problem. Over here. Download that. Whoa. Okay. Still doing it. And let's open up ETL and the README. Okay, so it's going to give us an input that is a dictionary already, where the key is the number of points and the value is a list of characters. So I wonder if I can actually just do that destructuring right there in the argument. I could say, oh no, okay, never mind. That would be the dictionary. Okay. What is Copilot doing for us here? For score letters and input, for letters and letters, output lowercase letters, and it's just sticking it in there. Okay. I bet you that could work, but let's try and do better. I think Julia likes the convention of 4 spaces for tabs, but I don't. Give this a try. We'll do Julia run tests.jl. Okay. Well, we can call that a day and say we're done, but I think we can do a little better here. Well, I don't know. We're pushing into a dictionary here. 4 score letters in input, 4 letter in letters, output lowercase letter is equal to that score. Sure. I think what we can do is we can kind of do a reduce over the output. Reduce over the input. So let's say, is there a reduce? I presume there is. What did Copilot start doing for us? Whoa. Is that actually how a reduce looks here? Begin, end. Okay. I guess if you're creating a function body, you need a block. Maybe that's what's going on. Input score letters equals score letters. Reduce output, input. Output would be our, yeah, that actually looks correct. Let's comment out this bit and see if that runs it correctly as well. It does. Okay, well, Copilot's just crushing it today. This is more or less what I was planning on doing anyway. Reducing over the input, which is right here. Initializing it as an empty dictionary. Setting that letter in. Honestly, I mean, we could try and make it a little better, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, well, maybe we will do one more exercise because that was too easy. maybe using Copilot here is a little bit of cheating, but it is helpful here because I'd essentially just be looking this up anyway and validating the technique of how to do it. So what do we learn from here? They have these named arguments, I suppose, init equals. Does that work without the named argument? Possible method call error. Nope. Okay. So that named argument is required. If you don't provide it, dict char int. Interesting. Anything else we can learn from this? Well, I don't know. I guess that was just a simple one. We'll submit it and move on. All right, let's do the word count one then. See, let's actually return the exercise and see if anyone else did anything better here. So the most starred one is this one. 27 stars. Wow, I like that. I like that a lot. For value letters and input, for letter and lowercase dot letters. Interesting. So what is the syntax here? It's saying just create a dictionary and make the dictionary letter to value pairs where you get the value from input and you're getting letter from, is that essentially what it's doing? It's kind of like a for comprehension. Yeah, I guess so. All right. Well, that's good to know. That is clearly the best way of doing this. Extra star. We need to make sure that good solutions make it to the top here. Right, 2 4s like that. Very neat generator. How I couldn't get rid of allocations without a straight line loop. Anyone know how? Moving the lowercase will help. At the moment, it allocates a new vector of chars each time. Moving it to here might be sufficient. Cool. Very cool. All right, let's move on to another one. Oh, some of these people have some insane 5,000. What does it take to get that much? That's a lot of exercises to have completed. I'm only at 55, and I've already done like 5 different languages. Okay, let's do word count. Or actually, let's do some multiples. Work at a company that makes an online. Actually, you know what? I think by submitting that one, got the Julia badge or the analytical April badge. So I have an interview I need to study for, and that's a little bit higher priority than doing these exercises. I just wanted to make sure I got this done by the end of April. So I will come back to Julia. I will solve some more problems. I'm also going to revisit Rust and OCaml and Clojure. I plan on revisiting all those, but right now I'm needing to study for some other more important things. So see y'all later.